Hi everyone, sit in my homework. China, chocolate, chunk, cherry, Charles, chairman, Charles, cheese, keychain, picture, nature, lunchbox, teacher, beach ball, richer, fortune, detach, march, coach, teach, touch, approach, porch, ranch, chop chop children, it's Charlie Kitchen Adventure. Today Chuck will be teaching future champion cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Zeus, Jury, genetic, generate, jump, Japan, junior, young, Jan, German, algebra, subject, adjective, suggestion, legend, digest, majesty, magic, rejoice, educate, age, stage, avarice, knowledge, polish, please, page, notice, release, chorus. I didn't play very well in the basketball game. Sure you did. You did a good job. But I didn't make any points. That's okay. You did a good job. Our team lost the game. But you did a good job. Well, I guess one quits the game then. Good, because you did a good job. She, shadow, sure, check, sure, cheap, shake, sure, shirt, Chicago, nation, special, machine, sunshine, addition, motion, reputation, fishing, ocean, suggestion, mission, official, intrusion, tissue, brush, splash, dish, Irish, and establish, fresh, You're so special. Why did you buy me for? Because you're so special. Why did you buy me candy? Because you're so special. Why did you make me a cake? Because you're so special. Well, I have something to tell you. What? You're so special too. Vision, Asia, casual, visual, version, television, conclusion, division, beige, massage, practice. Thank you, my pleasure. What's your television? What's your decision? It's a special occasion. I usually wear casual clothes. Casual clothes. I usually wear casual clothes. Time for listening.